Welcome to KHOME. We are a leading manufacturer specializing in steel structure buildings and various types of container houses. This video will show you some different container houses. This is a glass curtain wall container house composed of multiple detachable container houses. The lighting is very good. Do you like the layout of this model? This is a high-ceiling detachable container houses consisting of 3 containers. It has been in use for 10 years. This container house has been customized according to the customer's requirements and is divided into 3 areas: a separate bathroom, a living room, and a bedroom. Isn't that wonderful? Would you like to move in? This is an expandable container house. It only takes about 10 minutes for you to fully unfold it, and then you will have a house of nearly 40 square meters, including a large living room, a kitchen, a separate bathroom for both washing and drying, and 2 bedrooms. You can freely arrange the layout of your house. Doesn't it sound great? If you are interested in these houses, please feel free to contact me.